Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the eye look that I had on in my previous in-depth foundation routine. I noticed that I did not do the eye look for that particular video because it's going to be too long, so I decided to do the eye look separately. I hope you all enjoy this, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Anastasia palette, like dead, and this is going to be a super natural neutral look. So I say I'm going to be taking the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH15 brush. I'm going to do ginger just as a small transition, and I'm putting it here right in the crease. I'm just going to blend that out. Like that. And then I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to take the color, I'm just winging this, I hope it works out, Big Wig, which is this color. I said I was going to neutral, but what the hey. I don't even know if I have anything to match this color, but it's just so pretty. So, and I'm going to go with it here. I'm just tapping it in, and then we are going to blend it out. But first we need to place the pigment where we want it to be, and then we're going to blend it out. So I want it just here. That's such a pretty color. And then I'm going to blend it. When I don't have that much color or pigment or eyeshadow left on the brush, I'm going to blend it this way. But majority of my pigment is on the outside of my eye. Like that. Okay, now that we have that done, I'm going to take a different brush. I'm taking this flat, it's a billion dollar brushes, this flat concealer brush, and I'm going to be take pinker. I'm putting that in the middle of my lid, like that. And then I'm taking the Left C 229 taper blending brush, and I'm going to blend that out. This is a clean brush, and I'm blending that into the Big Wig color as well. Like that. Now we're gonna take the color. I'm gonna take the color Soleil. This one. And put that on my lid. And I'm just wipe my concealer brush off. And I'm just going to, can you see that? Taking the color pinker and blending that into the lid color or the shimmer. To blend pinker, and I'm gonna go back into ginger just a little bit, like not even. I'm doop doop doop, tap tap, and then I'm gonna blend all of it together, just like that. I'm taking it a little above my crease as well, just like that. Okay, eyes are done, and now I'm going to do, I'm going to use this e.l.f. waterproof gel eyeliner, and I'm going to just not even all the way. Like that. I'm also going to put it under, and then I'm going to take a small little blending brush and smoke this eyeliner out just a little bit. And prep the eyes for lashes. So I'm gonna, these are the lashes that I'm gonna be using. They are the xoxo Beauty lashes in the color Lustrous. In the style Lustrous. And these are actually my lashes. So if you're interested, the link will be down below. Hit me on Instagram. Okay, so back and lashes are on, and now I'm going to smoke out under my eye. Going back into the pinkier palette, I'm just going to be using this brush. It's the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH46 brush. I'm going to take the color Big Wig first and blend that on the outer portion of my eye. And then I'm gonna go in with pinker and blend the rest. Now that that's done, I'm going to be just taking a fluffy brush and wiping that powder away.